Lesson 3.2 Hard Skills, Soft Skills and Cross Skill. As we argued in the previous lesson, the dynamics of the job market are unpredictable. Many jobs are at direct risk, while other jobs in more dynamic sectors will require workers to upgrade their knowledge and skills. Skills plans intersect with investment plans secured by tax benefit for enterprises. From this point of view, the expertise in enterprises, management and work is low. The management today struggle to understand the digital transformation and the opportunities it offers. Among workers, few today are suitably prepared with the skills needed to govern the digital transition for enterprises. The issues raises the question on 1. The type of skills needed to govern the new process introduced by digital technologies. 2. The broader problems of diverse skills needed to understand and govern the digital transformation of society as a whole. In the first case, we should start from the consideration that the introduction of new technology solution in production does not necessarily bring about the predicted benefits. The technological progress and innovation witnessed in the years from 2007 to 2016 did not translate in the higher productivity expected. The only possible remedy lies in developing high-profile digital skills in the workers assigned to production processes, in the hope that with time, as they acquire greater proficiency with new technologies introduced, the higher productivity expected will be delivered. The innovative force of the technologies introduced resulting in concrete risk of the partial or inadequate utilization of the technology acquired, the adverse effects of which could potentially trigger a crisis or prolong the time needed to recover lost productivity. Analyzing the matter through the lens of the digital transformation of society as a whole, the relative impact on people's behavior, the issue calls into question a few commonplace assumptions. First of all, we need to accept the idea that we need to address the issue of the necessary knowledge and skills. The transformation of society and the emergence of new individual and social behavioral patterns first call for intervention that require expertise in the fields of science that study of human and social behavior and the dynamics that affect or demand is expressed before turning to the matter of the production of goods and services. Human and social science and humanities, or HSSH, can offer a key contribution to our understanding of the transformation underway. They helping us to interpret not only the opportunities in their markets of reference, but also the new opportunities yet to be expressed through the continuous and systematic reinterpretation of changes to steer economic choices. We know that the matter of production processes require expertise. 1. In the physical and chemical implication of natural and artificial processes. 2. In information technology. 3. In production techniques. in mathematical modeling, all of which can be found in the fields of science, technology, engineering and mathematics, so-called STEM. Traditionally, we have looked to this discipline to address the issue of the knowledge and skills necessary to meet the challenges of the Industrial Revolution. The role of the human science and humanities has traditionally been kept separate from economic and production context. But today, it needs to be shifted to the center for the contribution it offers for understanding the phenomena and opportunities before us. As such, it would be helpful to reconvey the issue of knowledge and skills in a new light that overcomes the separation, the different consideration afforded to these fields. Each of these two fields should be given an important role in their relative context as distinct contributions, but contributions that can be integrated within a comprehensive framework. Alongside domain-relevant skills, we need to consider with particular reference to the transformative dynamics at play, a framework of general skill distinct from those pertaining to any specific domain, which I propose calling and framing as cross skills. Cross skills bridge different domains, helping us connect processes through nonlinear logic and grasp the implication in their complexity, and promoting development of better approaches to change, to cognitive flexibility, to the team working, to the capacity to think out of the box. Cross skills should be treated separately and with distinct importance compared to other skills and knowledge considered, and as such need to be developed to help frame workers' basic skills and knowledge in the relative domains. Integrating cross-skill as an enhancement to two greater spheres of skills in relative context is an essential condition to survive the impact of the digital revolution. Workers need to be trained for lifelong learning and to avoid circumscribing their skills and knowledge, both hard science and soft sciences, within closer context when faced with changing scenarios. Reskilling constitutes a key factor not only for the success of the individuals and their ability to remain competitive on the labor market in the face of the major changes in employment that lie around the corner, but it's also a challenge for the country as a whole, as progress is made on identifying the action to boost the overall competitiveness of the economic and social system at a worldwide level at our current stage of the digital transition.